This is HP Spectra x360 13-4007NA model, and the machine is running absolutely fine, but recently I can see the actual back is like popping up. So it seems the battery defected because it doesn't last anything and also deform the actual battery inside. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. First of all, I ordered from Amazon. This is the replacement battery. This is third-party manufacturer battery, but still good enough to give it a lifespan for a couple of years. Okay, so it's pretty simple to take this out. We need T4 screwdriver to take all the screws off and then get into it, and then we're going to use those tools which are very simple and basic. And then we're going to disconnect the actual battery, take out all the screws and inspect it, how it look like. Okay, so most of the time when you see the back is popping out, you have to be very careful. It means the battery does have a lot of gas in there and is inflated like a balloon. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Don't puncture it or press too hard.